Hello everyone, this is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio. Now, you guys know I'm always making little remarks about buying from AliExpress or Wish or whatever. I am not saying that every seller on those particular sites are bad. The problem is you don't know which ones are good. So let's talk about Amazon for a minute, because you guys, I've been a Prime member since Amazon first came out. Like, I have been obsessed with Amazon. I buy everything. I get my coffee on Amazon. So, you know, when I see some new tool or whatever, where do I go first? I go to Amazon. Well, a lady on the group, and I'm sorry, I can't remember which member it was, had this particular painting, and I was like, oh my gosh, how precious would that be to paint for Christmas for my grandbabies? Because I have 3 grandbabies, beautiful little things, and so I just thought it would be very festive. So I wanted this one. It looked like it would probably not take very long to complete, but I ordered it off of Amazon. So Amazon is not the actual seller. Amazon has third-party sellers, and they get on there. Like, let's just say that I wanted to get on there and sell this huge collection of LuLaRoe that I have, that are brand new pieces that I've never worn. I could actually go on Amazon, become a seller, and sell my products, just like I could on eBay or whatever. So I know a lot of people do understand that, but a lot of people don't. And so when they say, oh, I ordered it from Amazon, Amazon is not the specific seller. They are just the ones who kind of back the protection that you're going to get from the seller. So what you want to always pay attention to is who's the third party, whether it's coming from China or not, whether it can be shipped with Prime. So this particular company is called KIMILY, and I will put that in the description so that you guys will see that when you drop that little arrow down and see all the description information. Because it looks like right off the bat, a pretty nice little kit. I paid $11.99 for this and got it in 2 days. So let's open it up and let's take a look at it. I realize it's folded, and I have a thing against folded canvases, but I'm okay with it if the rest of this kit is okay. Like, if it's got good paint and it's got a good texture, and like, I love the fact that this photo is so beautifully vibrant and clear. Little details, right? So it looks like it's also got a reference guide, but let's check. Don't you hate this? Yeah, me too. So what do we have? Photo, paintbrushes, hanging hardware, and the little paintbrush thing, some paints, and our canvas with a reference guide. So hallelujah, right? And it looks like there's some instructions on the side about painting. Okay, so this looks like it would take me 2 days to complete. So that's fabulous, because I like being able to complete paintings, since I love to start a new one and then move to the next one and then move to the next before I ever finish anything. That's called ADHD, just saying. I'm not in denial. Okay, so let's go ahead, talk about canvas. Let's see here. It's pretty decent little texture, little quality. It's a pretty good quality, but it's very slick canvas. As you know, my paintbrush will be like all over the place, and it will have to be gessoed, but y'all, I gesso every single canvas regardless. In fact, by the time you see this video, I will have a new video up that is just about gesso, clear gesso, questions and answers, FAQ, whatever you want to call it. If you have a question about gesso, please go and watch that video. It will explain everything, I hope. Okay, so yes, I'll be gessoing this. This one may only need 1 layer of gesso, possibly 2. I'll know once I start painting on it, but I want to test a few paints, because you know how I roll. Now, these black paints look very jelly. You know what I'm talking about? Very translucent to me. So I do believe the first thing I'm gonna try is a black. And of course, the entire background is black. So we will do that first. I'm just gonna take a medium-sized brush, because I don't wanna do a big large opening. I'm just gonna like test a little bit right here, and let's see what I think about these blacks. The good news is I have black paint. I'm not concerned. Let's just start just to see what we're looking at. See, okay, this is a great way to use an example of why we use gesso, clear gesso. I don't know if you can see it, but you see all the little white dips in that paint? That's why you have to do 2 layers of paint even if it's an opaque color, is because if you get those little white dips and holes, then that means you're using more paint to get down into the little nooks and crannies in here. And that is why you will use more than you need to of your paint. Just wanted to point that out. That's black is a really good way to give a visual example. Now, I'm not gonna go over the number or anything. I just wanted to put down a little bit of this paint. It's a very pretty black, but I definitely would want to gesso my canvas, and I feel like that would be an amazing color once it's gessoed so that it can fill in those little cracks and crevices I just talked about. Now let me get another color here. We're gonna pick out something else. This red, I know there's a lot of that red and that red. Let's try those because those might be our other tricky ones. So let's see if I can find in front of me here either a 16 or an 11. All right, I'm gonna just turn it a little bit and test this one here. It's with 16. And you know, I'm just gonna tell you right off the bat, the paints look really good. This looks like it's gonna be possibly opaque because it's got a lot of white in it. That's a very, very pretty red. I do like it a lot. I like it a lot. And finally, let's try some 11. Oh, there's 11. Yippee. Okay, so they're right here together. Now this is almost a pink red, which is fabulous. Y'all know pink is my signature color. Okay, so let's do a little bit of this hot pinky color. That's so pretty. Y'all, this is a beautiful little painting. Okay, so my review is done. Legit or Scam, KIMILY on Amazon is legit. And I would like to go see if they have other paintings available because I really think this is a nice little quality piece. Okay, you guys, I hope this was helpful for you when you go shop on Amazon. Make sure you're looking for reviews. Make sure you're paying attention to the time frame and the shipping and what other people have to say about the quality. And then, you know what? Don't be afraid. Some of them might be great. I will see you guys back soon. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share so that you can see future videos on Paint by Numbers, Diamond Painting, Chalk Couture, and Pharmacy Beauty. See you back soon.